All right, so I want to show you one of my favorite salads. I call it an Israeli salad because when I was living in Israel, that is the type of salad that I ate. So super easy, of course. It'll take you just a couple of minutes to chop, maybe 10 minutes if you chop really slow, but you can make enough so you have extra for the week. All right, let me show you what's inside the salad. All right, so you have your basic ingredients. I always use Persian cucumbers just because I love them, but you can use any kind of cucumber. And today I just have a red onion, so I'm going to use that. You can use a white onion. I have a little bit of a white onion left. I didn't even see that. So maybe I'm going to mix. I will mix the two of them. That might be really tasty. I have a little bit of a red pepper, and then I have a green pepper. This is a Meyer lemon, so it's going to be a little bit sweet. If you didn't have any lemons, you could use a lime if you wanted to. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil, just a touch. I'll use some black pepper, and then I'm going to use some Himalayan salt. All right, so let's get to it. And I forgot to mention that you can also put some tomatoes in. I happen to have these little cherry tomatoes. Oops. But you can use any kind of tomato, so let's put these in there as well. So let's take a look at the finished product. Wow! That is a lot of salad. And this is going to last, I'd say probably a good 3-4 days of if I do little snacky portions. But I could probably have 3 days worth of full salad. So let me go and, I'm gonna go and taste a little bit. Okay, here's the taste test. To remember, add a little extra salt after you've mixed everything up, all right? Because it's going to marinate in this in the fridge. You don't want it to be too salty. Let's see. That's so good. And it's so clean, and it's so easy to make. I would probably add a little bit more lemon to it, and then I would also add a little bit more pepper. But this is fantastic. Batch this, make extra. It's all in the chopping, people. All right, so I hope that you make healthy choices. Being healthy is a choice. And just do one meal, one dish at a time. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.